We are now approaching San Antonio de las Minas in the Ruta del Vino, the Valle de Guadalupe. And I'm going to take you on a quick tour. You're going to pass the light. This is how you're going to get to Hacienda Eco-Domes. You're going to pass the light, which is the only light in town. There is no other light here. So the light is right after you come down the hill from Ensenada. Okay, so now you're in the Valle de Guadalupe. You just passed the light. On the left side, you're going to see a Pemex. It's the only Pemex on this side of town. And our Hacienda Eco-Domes is about a mile from this point. So you see the Pemex right there. You can see it right there. There you go. Okay, there you go. Okay, and I'm just going to take you on the ride. So hang in there. So follow me on the video so that way you don't get lost to our place. And let's see, on the right side there's going to be a little tire shop. They fix tires for, I think $3 if you get a flat tire. That's where it says Akron right there. You can see it right there. It says Akron. And there's a little wood shop area where you buy some wood. Right there. Yep, there it is. And on the right side, you're going to see one of the first wineries you're going to see called Lisiaga. There it is. Lisiaga is a really great winery. Don't forget to stop there for some wine tasting. They have awesome Grand Reserva wine. It's really good. A little pricey, but the Grand Reserva this is my favorite bottle of wine in all the town. So definitely something worth your time. Okay, there's a little restaurant here called Corre Cominos, which means, in English, that means Roadrunner. And it's a little restaurant familiar. I'm going to change lanes and get in the right lane. And we're coming up to our place here. There's a little barrel place. You see it says Cafe Little Barrel. They have a little coffee sometimes. And what else is there? Some wine grapes on the left side. You see that? There you go. Okay. And we're coming up to Hotel Fatima, and that's the main sign that you're going to see called Hotel Fatima on the right side. As soon as you get to Hotel Fatima, we're just 100 yards past the sign. And here you go. So there's Hotel Fatima right there. You see it. That's what it looks like right there. So you're going to pass that. Boom, there it is. Okay. And now what? Okay, go 100 yards past Hotel Fatima. On the right side, you're going to see Las Lomas. Las Lomas, and it's right there. And here we come. Okay, there's Las Lomas. Okay, so now you see Las Lomas, you make a right. That's what we're doing now. I have a truck, so this is a dirt road. You're gonna go on a dirt road straight for about a kilometer. And it's gonna make a little noise because my truck is an older truck and it bounces a lot. I suggest you bring a truck or something a little bit higher up. The roads are dirt. Cars are fine. It's just that you have to go slower with a car. That's all. Just keep going down the street. It's all dirt roads. You see some nice big oak trees coming up on the oaks. Oaks generally grow in the valley, lower portions of the valley. So that's where the water is in the water table. So you'll see oaks in the lower portions of the area. As you go higher up the little mounds of hills, you won't see oaks because they don't grow on the top of the mountains. Okay, this is Magdalene. This is a hotel called Magdalene. You're gonna pass that, just so you know, and just keep going straight. Just keep going. A little curvy, but we're good. Sorry for all the bumps, but hey, that's the way it goes. Doing what I can, make it not bumpy, but oh well. It's bumpy. Okay. Just hang in there, we're almost there. We're going up the little hill. And right at the top of this little mountain hill, there's a stop sign, make a right. This is actually Cocorit. And so you make a right where it says La Doble T, Vinegars Kruger, Cave Michel, whatever, and make a right there. And you can see this is what it looks like. And boom, you go straight, 2 streets, and on the left side is our place. We're almost there. This is actually Kruger. It's a little winery guy that's got what do you call those things? Containers, and he has a little shops for eating and things like that. It's Stop by, have a sandwich there if you want. And, this is our area. We're coming up on our view. This would be the view to our house. You can start seeing it towards the left side a little bit. I'll point towards it, you can see it there. So once we go down this little road, you make a left here. It says Bacanora. Unfortunately, the sign is not so good. You make a left, and the sign's right there. It says Bacanora, but it's missing the R. Oh well. So it's Bacaora or something. Okay. Go straight down this little hill, and you'll see our place on the right side. It's actually the third house, which would be right here. You can tell by the little trash cans and the gates open. And you're gonna come into our place, and there you go. Welcome to Hacienda Eco-Domes. You'll see the first dome on the front here, and you'll see our property. As I make a left here, you'll be able to see the Merlot. And there's the Merlot. You can park anywhere here on the Grava and you're fine. Okay, hope that helps you finding our place. Bye.